Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Fidelity Index Funds. Fidelity Index Funds are a type of investment that allows you to own a small piece of the entire market, providing broad diversification and potentially lower costs. First, it is essential to understand what index funds are. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. They aim to replicate the performance of the underlying index by holding the same securities in the same proportions. To get started with Fidelity Index Funds, you need to open a brokerage account with Fidelity. This can be done online or by visiting a local Fidelity investment center. Once your account is open, you can begin exploring the various index fund options available. Fidelity offers a range of index funds that track different market indices, including U.S. stocks, international stocks, and bonds. You can choose from a variety of funds with different investment objectives and risk levels. When selecting a Fidelity Index Fund, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you are a conservative investor, you may want to choose a fund that tracks a bond index. If you are more aggressive, you may want to choose a fund that tracks a stock index. It is also essential to consider the costs associated with the fund. Fidelity Index Funds have some of the lowest expense ratios in the industry, which means you keep more of your investment returns. Once you have selected a fund, you can invest with as little as a few $100s. You can also set up a systematic investment plan, which allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. It is crucial to monitor and adjust your portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your investment objectives. You can use Fidelity's online tools and resources to track your investments and make changes as needed. In conclusion, Fidelity Index Funds provide a low-cost and efficient way to invest in the market. By following these steps and considering your investment goals and risk tolerance, you can create a diversified portfolio that helps you achieve your long-term financial objectives.